Hello everyone, this is Charles Bridgetech with another sneak peek review from Nitecore. Now as you can see, 3 items here. We're going to sneak peek this all new, brand new flashlight that they sent to me. Of course, hasn't been released yet, so let's take a sneak peek here. Been doing a lot of testing for them lately, a lot of models coming in, and it's what I get here. Of course, the release candidate will come with a box and all the other goodies, charging cable. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. There it is. This is the Nitecore EDC27 UHi. Now this is very similar to the previous version, but only using their exclusive LEDs here, the UHi 20 LEDs. Start off here at the build quality, of course, always top notch. A nice clip here. It's got some good resistance on that. Show you the specs here on the battery. Very powerful battery in here. It's got your 2-switch design. So let's take a look here. It's running the dual UHi 20 LEDs there and textured reflectors. And of course the machining and finish is very nice. Never any issues. Might be some fingerprints, could have been handling it and testing it. Been reporting back to them. And of course the style and design on this is very nice as well. It's got some rough areas here on the body, so you can hold it this way or you can hold it that way. It's really up to you. If you hold it this way, the beam is taller. If you hold it that way, the beam is more wider. So depending on what you need it to do. So we're going to see here, you've got the OLED display. You can see your battery voltage at a spur of the moment. And of course, normally I would be able to next take it and open it up, show you the insides, but this is a sealed unit. So now we're going to go ahead and unlock it. It's got a 2-stage lock, so we're going to go ahead, full press this. Now it's unlocked, and I'll show you the display of the light levels. Just going to half press on that button there. See the different light levels. A little bit more light output than the previous model. And this one here has a turbo of 3100 lumens. Does have the countdown. Very nice detailed information on how long that will run at that light level. So that's nice. Now you can half press again for turbo, and then full press will get you strobe. So I don't have, any light level chart. So if I do have it at this video, it'll be up on screen for you now. Otherwise, I don't have it yet. And then full press turns that off. Now the screen will go black after a few moments. And then we're going to do so now let's go through the lockout feature. Unlock it out. So now it is locked out for the main button here, as you see, and there, 2-stage. Now we're going to unlock it just like that. Now we're going to lock it back to just 1 stage. So now we've locked it out for the 1 stage, because now the turbo works and the strobe. This button is now locked out, but now we still have access to that bright turbo. Crazy how bright this is. Now this does get very warm, so letting you know the countdown is definitely needed should you forget, but 5 or 6 second burst here and there, this should do just fine. Now let me unlock it again. And now I'm going to show you the beam before we head outside. So you see there, nice hot spot there. A little bit of bleeding around the edges. Spill does have a little bit of a cutoff there, but it's the same light output all the way to the edge there until it falls off about right there. So definitely going to be a nice combination beam, which these are my favorite. So you can see how the beam looks here, how narrow it is there versus there. So that'll give you an idea. And that's all there is to this light. So let's wait no further. Let's take this little bad boy out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the new Nitecore EDC27 UHi. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Got good battery power. Water spout, 38 feet. And it is making it there. There's the beam on the fence. Kind of give you an idea. Now this is the lowest part of the UI, so it's got some range even at this light output. Let's go to the next level here. Little jump. Now it is faintly making a tree of life there, 138 feet. Water spout, 38 feet from where I'm standing. And we have 65 feet to this tree. There it is on the fence. Got a large hot spot. Let's go to the next level. Doing quite a bit better now. Making that tree a little bit better now. Let's go to the next level. See how it does. Nice. Man. Good spill area. Hot spots pretty large, almost take up the whole tree. Again, 138 feet, 238 feet behind that. It is making that. Now I do have a distance link to my testing area, so you can see how far everything is. Making it across the park to the playgrounds there. Tree line, fence line. Man, nice beam coverage on this. Combination beams are my favorite anyways. So now let's go ahead and do turbo. That is crazy. And it is making the first palm tree there. So I'm going to half press and hold again. Look at that. Making the first palm tree. That is crazy bright. So now we're going to go ahead and half press again. Feel this light here. Yeah, it is getting pretty toasty. So let's try again here. It's giving me, oh, it looks like I can hit it again here. Let's go ahead and do turbo. Wow. I forget that this got a little, it's got a little timer to let you know that it's counting back up. Yep, there we go. Let's go ahead and do turbo here on the Tree of Life again. Now it's not made to do it continuously, but it's a good guideline to have, and it is back on. We'll do turbo over here, and then we'll pan over, see how it does. Look at that. All from this little light. And the timer counts down. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Very nice beam performance. This here does appear to have better performance than the EDC27 of the previous version of this. These UHi LEDs are pretty impressive. Now, because they are exclusive to Nitecore, only time will tell, but I think they're going to be just fine. They've got a good building platform that they're using, and they're coming out with a lot of other LEDs as well, and that alone helps them save some money, as well as going with other companies and being limited to their platforms and what they can do. They can actually design an LED that works best with their own products. So, pretty neat little thing. I'm seeing a lot of Chinese LEDs coming out there, and they appear to be doing pretty good. We'll see after about 4 or 5 years, but Nitecore stands behind their products, so there's no issue there. Very nice build quality, top notch. I'm not seeing any issues with them, even when they're releasing them as a release candidate. This here sample is perfect, no issues. If you're liking that flat design, carry it in your pocket. It's so thin, easy to carry in your shirt pocket, jacket pocket, it's up to you. So, love the OLED display. Of course, that always helps, so you know what time you have left on the battery. And it's an estimate, but Nitecore, it's pretty close. I want to thank Nitecore for sending me this EDC27 UHi to do a sneak peek here on my channel. If this is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down below this video. Also a special discount code to help save some money on this, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel. Otherwise, you can please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these sneak peek Nitecore lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.